Hey, good morning, folks. It's Mr. Max again. Yesterday, let me turn around. I had, I'm putting on this rear body panel on this Volkswagen, and let me flip the screen. So I started welding that yesterday. I started welding that, and I put this here. I put that in yesterday. So I didn't weld that on yet because I'll have to, line it up. Put some screws on it, on here, and then I'll have to bring the trunk down, put the tail light, make sure everything is lined up properly. Because let me show you here. I didn't put this one in yet, so I'll put that in now, and so that's what it is. So that's what I'm going to be messing with today on this car. 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. This one had a rear collision. I changed the trunk. I have a used trunk lid. See, it's blue. And so that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'll put this right piece in, squeeze, I'll put some screws to hold that in place, put the tail light on, make sure everything lines up with the trunk, and then I'll finish the welding on this section. All right, so it's gonna be a long, so I'm not sure if I should film all that. Maybe when I'm done, I'll continue showing what I achieve, or yeah, I think maybe I should do that. All right, so stay tuned.